Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. I know it's been about a year and a half since my last video. I've been busy, but today we're gonna make something small and easy. We're gonna make a spicy dipping sauce called Jeow, and you eat it with any type of meat at any barbecue. So let's get to the ingredients. So smash it up until you get to something like this. So after you smash your peppers, you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce in, 1 whole lime, just squeeze it in there. And once that's done, just stir it up with your pesto. Make sure all the granulated, the sugar is all pounded down to where you don't hear any noises. After that's done, then just give it a taste. And this is preference, so if you want more sour, add more lime. If you want more fish sauce, add more fish sauce to make it saltier. So for me it's perfect, so just go ahead and transfer it into a small bowl. Get all of it in there. It'd be a waste to leave it in there. As a bonus, I like to chop up some cilantro and put it in there just for the extra taste. You don't have to do this, but if you do, it's preference also, depending on how much you want cilantro. You can stir that in there too, and basically you're done. I like mine very spicy, so you could add more peppers or you don't have to. Good.